When somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. Every hour spent together lives within my heart. And when she was sad, I was there to dry her tears. And when she was happy, so was I. When she loved me.
김난중, 김석지, 민규기, 정홍석, 박지민.
I'm in the ghetto. She doesn't like me.
So apparently the people on TikTok like this. You walk in, and boom, puppy. And now, we're TikTok famous.
What would did mommy blow raspberries on your belly? Tina? Tina? Do you like them? Do you? You want me to do them again? Tina, do it again. Tina? Do you like them? You crazy.
Oh my God! Hey, Cookie, no! No, Cookie, you're gonna drown! No! Come here! No! Stop! No! Get out of the bathroom!
These little babies are about to pick their very own collars. She wants to go first. All right, little one, which one do you want? No, not me. One of these. The purple one? Okay. The black one? Okay. Oh, blue. Blue, okay. You like red? Oh, the cream one, okay. All right, tiny friend, you're up. Black, okay. All right, your turn. Which one would you like? The blue? Orange? Okay. Gray? Okay. Before all the vests on here get mad, I can fit 3 fingers inside every single one of their collars. They are breakaway collars specifically designed for puppies.
Dicky.
Easy. Yo, if you follow people because they're cute, cool, because I do that too. But the problem here lies in the fact that you are not following me. I'm cute as hell. What the?
Sit. Stay. Okay. Don't eat this. No. Okay, don't eat this. Okay, you promise? You promise? Be a good boy, okay? Stay. Don't eat it. Did you not eat it? What a good boy.
So my whole family has pretty much been losing their minds since this whole quarantine thing started. We even tried to make that whipped coffee and honestly it just looked like diarrhea. My dad saw that we were all losing our minds and said that we should go on a boat ride. And you know, I'm up for any reason to get out of my house by this point. So we loaded everybody onto the boat, even Meatloaf and Rebel wanted to join. And if I'm being completely honest, I think that the quarantine is driving the dogs a little insane too. They needed this. And for some reason our dogs just love being on the boat. It's like sticking your head out of a car window but like all the time and on water. Personally, I enjoyed looking at a view that wasn't the inside of my house. And you know, I will say there was more than one view. My dog's so thick, double cheeked up during a global pandemic, just nothing beats it. Nothing beats it. Also, we weren't the only ones who thought it would be a fun idea to go boating during quarantine. And I mean, who could say no to this face? We ended up docking the boat and Meatloaf and Rebel met a bunch of other dogs and honestly it was just dog central. Meatloaf was kind of shy though, but it was all good in the end because Dad let her drive the boat home.
Still trying to catch my cat that ran away during a wildfire. I took your guys' advice and I've covered the traps to make them seem more appealing for a cat to crawl into, and I've changed up the different kinds of wet food that I'm putting on the inside. Removing the food bin would make it easier to trap animals, but I also don't want to start a fight because these are still wild animals out here. Right off the bat, we got Miko, our raccoon friend, and he was kind of interested in the traps, but was more interested in the big bowl of food in the middle, which is okay with me because I don't want to catch Miko, I want to catch my cat. We have been having a slight territorial issue with Ingrid the skunk. Here she is scaring away poor Jimifer. But our little friend Miko remains unfazed. He's come up with a way to sneak up behind Ingrid and still get some food, and that's pretty ballsy to be on that side of a skunk, so good on you, Miko. Then Fred decided to come up and join Ingrid, and you know, he's not the most graceful skunk out there. Nailed it, Fred. Good job. I didn't see any animals go into the traps, just disregard that. But then the next day after I moved the camera, something went in. What do you think it was, everybody? Release next video. Uh-oh.
You cannot destroy shoes. You see the shoe? Shoes cost money, okay? You cannot mess with shoes. You've been destroying so many shoes. What do you have to say for yourself? What do you say for yourself? What do you say for yourself? Another pair gone. Another one.
Can Kyla leave?
Kyla's got to go off to college today, buddy. You got to get off of her.
Kyla's gotta go bye-bye.
She's got to leave. Are you sad? You got to get up. She's got to leave. Simba, she's got to leave.
They say when you meet the love of your life, time stops.
Love is passion. Love is passion. Love is passion. Obsession. Obsession. Someone you can't live without. You can't live without. I say, fall head over heels. Find someone you can love like crazy and love you the same way back. How'd you find him? Well, how'd you find him?